Are you looking for the perfect scent? Welcome to the Solution for Frags. We have the answers.
YouTube, welcome back to another video. I'm Solution for Frags, back with another one of these things. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, smack that notification button so you know when I'm dropping another one of these things. Tell a friend to come back again. Hey, we are this close to that mark on the road to 500. Thank you everyone for pushing us there. I could see it is right there in front of us. Let's keep going. Join the channel. Tell a friend to come back again. But let's get into it. Today's offering is from XERJOFF. A lot of you know XERJOFF is one of those niche lines, one of the heavy hitters. Some people may or may not have a problem with the price, but hey, you're getting something different. Led by his Herba Pura offering and Torino 21. Those are two of the very, very popular ones if you're kind of curious about what they have. And if you go back on the channel, you know I did a discovery set review before I purchased the full bottle. Now let's get into it with the Torino series, because right here we have Torino 22. I reviewed in the discovery set Torino 21. I believe I gave that away. I wanted to bring that out as well because a lot of times when you see the adjacent flanker, if you will, thing, you're going, how different could it be? In this case, it's very different. And shout out for XERJOFF for separating these two, the 21 from the 22. And if you're unfamiliar with Torino 21, is a very fresh, vibrant, bright fragrance versus what we're going to get here. And full disclosure, I was so excited about doing this video that I forgot to push the record button properly, and I was not recording. Shout out to XERJOFF with the packaging. That's very, very nice. As you can see, I got my little blade right here because I opened it earlier. And they're coming at us with a leather-esque box. It makes you want to keep it. It really does. This burgundy leather-esque box with the exposed stitching. That's dope. But it is all about what's in the bottle. So let's get to the bottle. Very, very nice. And this is not tissue paper, everyone. It's like a cloth, okay? Like a foam-esque cloth. And you got that XERJOFF bottle in there. Now I'm seeing a sticker, and I don't know what that's about. Let's see. Oh, you can just lift that up out of there. Okay, cool. Nice touch. They're trying to justify the price point for this. Feel free to look it up on your own. So today we're working with a 50 ml. A lot of people do have problems with the price for a 50 ml. Teach his own. And this little sticker right here, it says tap to connect. And I guess it'll give you some information possibly on the fragrance or the fragrance line. I'm not going to tap to connect that. It says right there, Torino 22. So why Torino? We might say, what's with the name? What's with the name, the solution? The name comes from a professional tennis series that's played in Torino, the Naito ATP. And they decided to, I think it's 5 fragrances that they rolled out there. So yeah, definitely. I'm looking at my notes right here. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's the series, the Torino series that XERJOFF is offering. Like I said, I reviewed 21 on the discovery set, and I'm very familiar with Herba Pura. And now today I decided to go with the Torino 22 full bottle. Now, have I smelled this? Yes, because it was in the discovery set, and I said it was one of the better ones of the discovery set. So definitely, but it's completely different from the Torino 21. So don't say, hey, if you got one, you need the other. It's not that kind of flanker if you're thinking that in a flanker capacity. So what does it smell like, the solution? Let's get to it. I didn't even do that because I smell it already. And this is like a woody, spicy, but there's some freshness to it. But it's not your bergamot, lemon, mandarin, lime type freshness. It's a minty kind of freshness. So I'm just going off my complete you know, what I'm smelling first. There's some sweetness to it as well, with some kind of floral action going on there. So that tells us that the ladies are going to like this too, more than like. And I think this is unisex. So definitely look up those notes and see what you want to do with this. It does smell very versatile, where you can wear it all throughout the year. But the woody, spicy side of it says you're going to love it in the evening, guarantee. So what do we have here? So we have eucalyptus, saffron, bergamot. This is going to be a problem with sugar. Now, all right, you heard saffron and bergamot, right? You know how she talks about those two scent notes. In the middle, you got tea, clay sage, and goyak wood. We know that's a version of oud. Then at the bottom, dry wood and musk. So yeah, I said I smelled some kind of floral note. Actually, what I'm smelling is the sage and the tea note. That's what I'm smelling. So to give it that woodiness, they got the goyak wood along with the musk to make the guys say, hey, yeah, I'll probably like this as well. And you will, you really will. Also, women will love it as well due to that sweet hit. But they did add a little bergamot, you know, so that's part of the freshness. And the other part of, I said, it smelled like minty, is obviously is the eucalyptus, and I love eucalyptus. So this is a very, very versatile fragrance. Excellent sillage, good longevity. Of course, people are going to complain because of the price point. You're going to see some negative things because that's just how it is. When you see something that's up there in the niche categories, you're going to get some negative Nathans and Nancys out there that's going to talk down on the fragrance. However, I am glad I purchased this. Shout out to Smell This Perfume, Jimmy, one of those guys over there at the Eisenhower Market here in San Antonio, Northeast San Antonio. Go ahead and check them out. They actually have two venues inside the market. They have one that's more Middle Eastern leaning. I think it's all Middle Eastern leaning. And the other one has Middle Eastern fragrance, Bath and Body Works, and your niche and designer luxury lines in there as well. So go check them out. A lot of steals and deals to be had in there. Great, great people. Now, when would I wear this? You could wear this at almost any occasion, everyone. Almost any occasion. Trust me. If you want to rock something in the spring and you want the freshness with it and everything, you got that. If you want to bring it back in the fall, you smell the woody and spicier notes, the oud thing that's going on, you know, the floral with the tea note, with the clary sage, you're kind of getting a little bit of that, if you will, you know, and also gives us a slight earthy vibe as well. But definitely, but not like Torino 21, in case you're wondering. This is not one of those flanker style fragrances. Shout out to XERJOFF for making this different. Awesome buy. Not going to drag this out. One of the shorter videos, everyone. It is exactly what it is. Now you want the scale, right? Hey, the solution, what do you rate this on the scale of 1 through 10? Somebody said, hey, 5 is too compressed. This is a very, very strong 8.5. And I don't give those out a lot. I don't give out 8.5s quite. But this is one you'll like. What's with the 1.5 point? You'll have people have problems with the price. It's not for everybody. You know, if you see the price, you're like, oh, come on, I'm not doing that. It's not for everybody. If it's for you, you're going to like it. If it's not for you, hey, get a travel decant or something like that. All right. And you'll get it that way. But 50 mLs is enough. It's not, in my opinion, for me, a daily wear. But I can see some people reaching for this, especially the ladies. I can see women wearing this to work and nobody's going to be bothered. Work friendly? Yes. Hot summer days to an extent, but I think you're going to appreciate it a little bit more when it's a little cooler at night, but not cold. I'm talking 50, 60. You're going to love this because it's going to stand out. I'm Solution. And guess what? We made it to the point in the video where I must bid you adieu. And I thank you for everything you have done. Remember, we're this close to 500. We're almost there, everyone. And I appreciate what you're doing for getting the channel there at this rate. Definitely, it's been incredible. Love the comments, the encouragement and all those things. You're asking, where's Sugar? Sugar and I have agreed. She's going to do the videos that she's most interested about, where she'll say you know, her full piece versus the ones that she's not quite interested in the fragrances. So that's the agreement we have on the channel. So she'll be popping up shortly. But until then, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, tap the notification button, tell a friend to tell a friend, share the video. And like I always do about this time, and we're out.
Yeah, they call him the fragrance, got no fraud, get applause, laying down the law, see the awe when he talk. Let's go! Got that nose for the notes, yeah, you know that he wrote the quotes on the realest of the blends, got no time for